Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Drip Campaign tool in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. The Drip Campaign tool allows you to send a series of messages to your contacts over time to build quality engagement or guide them through a sale funnel. Now, let us create a drip campaign that sends message to the user, immediately the user to subscribe to the drip campaign, and sends a follow-up message on day 2 and day 3. First, let us create our drip campaign flow. Let us proceed to creating our drip campaign. This setup means day 1 flow will be sent immediately after the user subscribes to the drip campaign. Day 2 flow will be sent 1 day after day 1 flow was sent. Day 3 flow will be sent 1 day after day 2 flow was sent. Now, let us create a flow where we will subscribe the user to the drip campaign. There you have it. You just learned how to use the Drip Campaign tool in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.